Yo, so I'm at downtown Minneapolis and currently heading to the Marriott Hotel. It's like right there. It's where the Hmong National Development Conference is at, and it's a concert night tonight with open mic afterwards. So I'll be performing at the open mic. So we're here a little early, hanging out with Dorcas and Christina at the HND Conference. Bob and friends are sound checking right now. So we're here with G-Main. What was your last name again? Lore. G-Main Lore. I'm forgetting, man. It's been a long day.
You're not that old.
Yeah. With this nice, beautiful instrument here at the HND Conference. So yeah, shout out to G-Main. He'll be playing at the open mic later too, so I'll record that for sure. You know, he about to perform tonight.
And chilling with
Pong Vang, you know. Yeah.
and chilling with Paul Vane.
In the lobby. We should be in the concert right now, but yeah.
Chilling with Paul Vane.
Yo, yeah, Mighty Mike.
Myself and Chelsea.
You excited to perform tonight, Mighty Mike?
It's been a long time.
Been a long time. Yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited.
It's been a long time since the last open mic.
For sure, for sure.
4 months ago.
So we're here with Elvis from Rare. So just give us a shout out to whoever you wanted to, or yeah.
Alright, well, yeah, cool, thanks. Right now I'm actually in a rock band, so I'm kind of putting rap aside right now. You can check out Elvis Howe and the Creators on YouTube as a little sample. Other than that, yeah, do some classic rock now, from hip hop to classic rock. I don't know how that happens, but
cool.
That's what's going on now. And more acting on the way. So,
awesome.
Yeah, Facebook Elvis.Tao.
Cool. Yeah, I just met Elvis today, so shout out to Elvis for being a cool dude, man.
Paul's a great artist,
all right.
so saw his YouTube a while ago, but saw him now, so.
Sure, thanks, Elvis. Chilling in 2609.
They just told me, keep the name. I crossed it out.
Can't see downtown, but.
Oh my god, I got such a beautiful picture of this.
Here we go. Here, jamming with BZ. Some girls here.
HND, baby.
HND 2011. Concert. Charles here. Chandler. Jamming with BZ.
Are you guys ready to
He's in the lobby, putting Sean, taking pictures. Deuce Khan and Shoe from Kali Shoe Project.
Charles Bank, Bruce.
Deuce Khan. Chilling with Sunshine and Amy, much about. Yeah. Just take a picture with me kissing her, so it's kind of cool.
Come on.
That's my favorite pose, though. I'm not gonna tell you which one I did to, though. But you got Julie from Oklahoma.
Hi, Angel.
She's a cool girl. I just met today at the HND Conference. So.
You sing very beautiful.
Thank you,
Rock
thank
on.
you. Rock on. Hi, I'm with Ong right now, and she's friends with Collier. So Collier, you're missing out.
Yeah, Korea's my 포유정 champion.
Yeah. So Ong, give us a shout out to your YouTube or wherever you can find your music.
Hong Bang Music rocks.
Hey, what?
Subscribe.
Ombakbu, I think is a YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
YouTube does that. Ombakbu. Okay. Yeah, and we're just chilling with everybody. Paul, Charles, everybody.
I'm gonna be
Charles. Elevator. Ashley. Melissa. A bunch of HND people. Yeah. You too.
Are you gonna put that up?
I am gonna put this up. Late night YouTube run.
You should have heard her sing. Hey, you gotta sing. Did you sing your song?
I sang on YouTube.
How you gotta sing your song? Lên mùa Jaeger bomb.
Oh, I haven't sung that one yet.
Long mùa.
We got
Ready?
Ping in the corner.
Okay, ready? Long mùa.
Alright. Ling Mo.
Jaeger bomb.
Jaeger bomb. So we are in downtown Minneapolis. I'm just leaving Melissa and Ashley right now. Marriott Hotel, Hmong National Development Conference. And yeah, I'm about to go to my car right now. So
It's the next morning, and back at the Marriott Hotel at the HND Conference. Long night last night, so it's tons of fun though. Just hanging out with everybody. So looking forward to a great day.
So a guy just asked me to buy him lunch. Total stranger. He could have been homeless, but I decided to say no, and I do feel bad, but what can you do, right? I thought I'd share that with you guys. Chilling at downtown Minneapolis right now.
So we're here at the HND Conference. Everybody just networking, mingling. Currently in the lobby right now. Everybody. Hanging out with Jeremy, the crew. So I just got done with the interview over here by these two lovely people. They're doing a documentary on Hmong music, so it's kind of nice. Yeah, got interviewed, and I love interviews, so it's kind of cool. So we're with a few HND people at the Hmong village, trying to find something to eat right now. Yo, we on the roof of Marriott Hotel. It's pretty nice. Really nice right now. Chilling with the Whitewater guy in Milwaukee. Graves Hotel right across the street. Chilling before we're about to leave. Yeah. Whitewater guy. Jeremy. Yeah, Chinu. Taggy, man. Chilling downtown. Whitewater people. Oxford, East Side.
Whitewater.
Yeah! Woo! Whitewater! Yeah! Yeah, I do. Yes, I do.
Make some videos too.
Downtown Minneapolis. So we're downtown Minneapolis, roughly around 1 o'clock right now, a.m. You know, chilling. Chilling with everybody. Yeah. Chilling with the crew. You know, having just a lot of fun, you know. So jamming with everybody. Trying.
We're heading home from the HND conference. Currently around 3 in the morning. It was a fun weekend. So a huge shout out to just the HND conference itself, and all the people that held it. So yeah.